Hello everybody, my name is Ilya and I'm here with my stepdad Daniel. He gave me the permission to record this for my Biology 100 project, where we're going to talk about cancer, our personal family cancer history, and we're going to talk about what does cancer mean and our plan how to prevent it from happening, or at least be safer. So firstly, I want to talk about why this matters. And firstly, we can start with our family. And as we know, my step-grandpa, your dad, had prostate cancer once, and my grandma on my mom's side had cervical cancer. And I want to explain in plain words how genes and cell division relate to cancer and works. So, a gene is a DNA instruction. A mutation is a change in those instructions. When get one copy allele of each gene from each parent. Somatic mutation happen later in life in one body tissue like a skin cell or prostate cell, and are not passed to children, so the chances to pass it is 0%. But germline mutations are present from birth in egg or sperm and can be inherited. So I want to talk about a little bit about tumor suppression gene and oncogenes, because this is two of the main genes where the mutation happens that cause cancer. So some genes act like brakes on cell growth. These are tumor suppression genes. For example, TP53. If a brake gene is mutated, the cell can grow too much. Other genes act like gas pedals. When mutated on, they can push grow, and those are called oncogenes. I also would like to talk about cell division, and because that's where the mistake happened. Cell copies themselves by mitosis, which means cell division multiply itself, make different copies of each other. And most cancers start when copying errors add up in somatic cells. Meiosis makes eggs and sperm. Mistakes there create germline changes that can run in families. So I'd like to talk also about family link. So one prostate cancer in an older adult usually doesn't mean a hereditary syndrome. Cervical cancer is mostly linked to HPV, so screening and vaccination really matter.
Does grandpa's prostate cancer mean our family more likely has that cancer gene?
Not by itself. Doctor looks for several relatives, early ages, or aggressive disease before suspecting inherited risk.
Should your side do genetic testing because of your grandma's cervical cancer?
So I looked it up, and cervical cancer is usually HPV driven, which means it's not inherited. So genetic testing isn't routine. The focus is PAP or HPV screening and HPV vaccination if eligible. And last thing, I want to talk about a quick plan to keep our family safe. Our plan: write a simple family history, ask our clinician about screening, PSA talk when appropriate, and PAP or HPV testing on a regular schedule. And keep prevention habits: HPV vaccine, wearing sunscreen, safer sex, no tobacco, and regular activity. To conclude, I just want to say thank you for joining me. This is how Biology 100 connects to our family.
Thank you.